In this video, we are going to know about the absorption, transport, storage, and functions of vitamin A. In our earlier video, we have talked about vitamin A as a fat-soluble vitamin, and like other lipids, it shows the same characteristics of absorption, transport, and storage in the human body. Vitamin A is obtained from animals as well as plants. Retinol, esters, and retinol are found in certain animal tissues, while beta-carotene are found in certain plants. In the small intestine, beta-carotene is converted to aldehyde form of vitamin A, which is then converted to alcohol form. In the intestinal cells, there is addition of fatty acyl CoA to retinol, which is converted to retinol esters. Chylomicrons carry the retinol esters from intestinal cells to lymph, which is then transported to the liver as all-trans retinol. The chylomicrons remnants are left behind in lymph. In the liver, the retinol is esterified to retinol palmitate and is stored. When needed, retinol is released from the liver and is transported to other tissues through blood by retinol-binding protein, or RBP, which is complexed with transthyretin. As this complex reaches the target tissues, it binds to a transport protein on the surface of the cell, which permits retinol to enter the cell. In target tissues, such as epithelial tissues, the retinol is converted to retinoic acid, or RA. Retinoic acid binds with high affinity to retinoic acid receptors, or RARs, in the nucleus of target tissues. This activated complex binds to DNA and regulates synthesis of specific RNAs, resulting in control of the production of specific proteins. In the retina of the eye, where retinol is required for the visual cycle, as retinol enters the rod cells in the form of all-trans retinol, it is esterified to all-trans retinol esters, which is isomerized to 11-cis retinol. 11-cis retinol is oxidized to 11-cis retinol, which combines with opsin to form rhodopsin. Rhodopsin is essential for dim light vision. When light falls on rhodopsin, it forms opsin and all-trans retinol. This photochemical reaction triggers a nerve impulse to the brain. All-trans retinol is converted to all-trans retinol, and rhodopsin is synthesized again when the cycle reoccurs. Here we end this topic, and in our next video we will learn about vitamin D. Subscribe to the channel. You can also ask about any query on Instagram. Link is available in description.